Basically, I work for electromagnetic team, and in electromagnetics, it's always a complex because there's an interaction between the electromagnetics and which includes electric field, magnetic field, and materials. So to combine all this and then to develop a product with the accuracies and the result-oriented products in this kind of combination is always a little complex. And then the workflow between the electromagnetics product development to the manufacturing is always a communication which has to be done in a proper way to develop the products. Definitely, not only one, many, but I can tell you one of the scenarios where basically we were designing a switched oscillator, which is basically a resonator, and the weight of the oscillator was around 8 kgs, and you can imagine that we reduced it to 800 grams. It was all possible because of the simulations done on Ansys Mechanical. Oh yeah, this is also somehow very important here because I remember in amplifier design stage, basically it has a thermal management system which has to be applied in a very proper way. Ansys had played a good role where the risks were mitigated because the reliability of the transistor is mainly on thermal management of the transistor. So yeah, of course, by designing in a proper way, the simulations were the only way to do it before the prototyping is manufactured. The fluid course is basically a front line for us. So you can imagine that if you have a problem, the first front line questionnaire will be the fluid course. So of course they have given us a very good technical support so far. Also the trainings to the new joiners, trainings in the new product line is really amazing.